ALLURE.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, well, first off, it is 7:30 in the morning and I decided to wake up a little bit earlier from work and film a little bit because I'm struggling to find time to film when the sun's up because my hours are 8:30 to 5, so it just doesn't really work out. So I decided to wake up early and kind of get this video in, and then I would edit it and upload it tonight. So yeah, today I'm going to be comparing two different subscription brands. I'm battling between ALLURE and SEPHORA Play. So I'm going to go through each product, and I'm not going to try them on or anything, but just kind of read the little descriptions about them and just see which one is better and which one you should spend your money on. So I will start with ALLURE. This is my second time getting them. I'm not sure if this is the January one or the February one. I'm assuming it's the January one. And the one I got last time that I filmed, which I can link down below, I think that was from December, but I paid just to get it because I loved everything in it. So yeah, so let's get into the ALLURE one. It comes with this cute little bag. Mine has a big opening right here, so everything's falling out, and I think it ripped or something, so everything keeps falling out. But it has this cute little bag. It has two little buttons on the front, and then it comes with a little booklet, which is super nice, of everything that we get. So let's get into ALLURE. So I open it up, and the first thing I see is this Way? I think it's Way hair care. Scalp and body scrub. So this, I'm just assuming you put all over your body and hair. It's a scrub, so it gets rid of dry skin and stuff like that. I want to see. This retails for $38. The ALLURE Beauty and the SEPHORA Play, they're both $10. So this is already $38, which is crazy. I'm gonna smell it. It comes with a little protector on it. It smells like lemons, so I'm cool with that. Yeah, I don't usually use scrubs a lot, but I love trying this brand. I have a few other things from this brand, so yeah, I'm excited to try that. And with this cold weather, maybe this will be nice for my hair. By the way, today it's going to be negative 20 degrees outside, and I still have to go to work, obviously, and it's just going to be so cold, and I'm dreading going outside, but yeah, whatever. The next thing I see is this Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. It's a hair mask, so it is hydrating and leave it on for 5 to 7 minutes and leaves your hair really soft. This is from, you get this on Sephora, and it retails for $28. So already we're way past the $10 mark, which is crazy, and that's why I love these kind of boxes, because you can try things out for such a cheap price and then decide if you actually want to spend your money on that, or if it's something that you're interested in, or stuff like that. The next thing I see is this Duce Relentless Matte Lip Crayon, and it's this pretty red shade. The shade is 405 Winterberry, and it's just a lip crayon. So let me swatch it. It's nice. It's really a pretty color. It's a red, a red and a pink, so that'd be really pretty in the winter, or this would have been really pretty for the holidays. So this is for $22, which is crazy. And with each one of these products in this booklet, there's a promo code, which I think I mentioned in the last video. But yeah, there's a promo code which you receive some percentage off your order. If you decide that you love these and you want to purchase more, then you can use the promo code that's in the booklet. This is the Mally Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra in Burnished Bronze. And Mally, I've heard of that brand. That's an Ulta This retails for $25. This one does not come with a promo code, but it's just like this. And let's see. It's a pretty brown gold shade. So this, I don't usually use shadow sticks, but maybe I'll get into them. I don't know. I don't usually use them. I'd rather just use like an eyeshadow palette, but it's always nice to have these, and yeah, it's really pretty. So this I'm so excited for. This is the Sunday Riley CEO Glow Vitamin C into Turmeric Face Oil. It's a serum, so it has vitamin C, turmeric, and evening primrose oil to brighten, hydrate, and glow. So Sunday Riley is a super good skincare brand, very expensive. So yeah, I love trying out new skincare. In my evening routine, I use the Drunk Elephant serum, which I got in a Sephora play, and I love using it because just to see if I love it or not. So yeah, this is the Sunday Riley serum. This retails for $80. $80. So, turning your dry, dull skin into dewy, which is perfect right now because my skin is dying. It's so dry because of this weather. And it's so crazy. Like today it's gonna be -20, like real feel -20, and next week's gonna be 50 degrees. Global warming. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this out. And there's no promo code for this one. And lastly, I got this another Sunday Riley product. I got the A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. Looks like this. It's a little serum, and this retails for $85. So this is more expensive than this. This is a lightweight retinol for smoothing lines and brightening complexions. And you guys know I have lines on my forehead, which you can probably see, so I'm really interested in trying these out. The only thing is, if I fall in love with one of these things, that's going to be an issue because I don't want to spend the money on it. But yeah, that's so exciting. So that is the Allure beauty bag. Thoughts? Love it. I love everything I got. Last time I got tons of makeup. This time I got a lot of like hair care and skincare, and I got like an eyeshadow and lipstick. But yeah, I'm mostly excited for the Sunday Riley products, and yeah, I don't know. I like Allure Beauty a lot, so yeah, let's get into Sephora Play. So Sephora Play always comes with a booklet, and this time they had this big chart. It says your 2019 beauty scope. Let's see, I'm a Gemini. A packed social calendar and tons of hobbies and passions. That's Gemini in a nutshell. Make space for time-saving hybrid beauty products like primers that hydrate, prep, and refresh skin all at once in your busy schedule. So that's kind of cute. And on the back is all the products. So Sephora Play is also $10. I used to get this when I was in college. I stopped getting it because I was in college and I was broke. So yeah, I decided to get it again. Basically it's all items that are obviously at Sephora, but they're like sample sizes. So yeah. So I got this nail polish, and I'm not really sure what bag it's supposed to be in. It's not either one of the booklets that says that I'm supposed to receive this. So I guess I just got a free product. I don't know, but I'm really excited about it. A full-size nail polish. I think it's from the Allure. They gave a last time. So it's an NCLA Los Angeles nail polish in the shade Call My Agent. Yeah, it's a super pretty pink shade. I did my nails on last night because I was super excited about it. So yeah, I don't really know where this is supposed to be, but I am not complaining. So let's get into Sephora Play. It always comes in this cute little bag. And then it has like a little seal at the top, so I opened it up, and first thoughts, it's very light, but they also are samples, so let's get into it. First thing I see is a latte mix, which like is weird because like I want makeup, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm getting the Sephora play for makeup, and plus I don't even like coffee. But I've heard of this brand. It's Four Sigmatic Mushroom Golden Latte Mix. If you guys listen to the Skinny Confidential podcast, she's always talking about Four Sigmatic, and it's like a mushroom kind of brand. They have tons of products apparently. I don't know too much about it, but they're supposed to be super, super good for you. So I guess I can try this out. I just don't like coffee, but it doesn't have a super coffee taste. And yeah, definitely look into more of this brand because she swears by it. And yeah, like she likes the mushroom cacao. She loves that. Like she said that like when she has she's like a sweet tooth at night, so whenever she wants something sweet, she gets the cacao, and it kind of fulfills the sweet tooth without being super unhealthy. So yeah, I will definitely try this out, I guess. I don't know. It's kind of weird, but it's okay. These were, it doesn't say the price on here, which is also weird. It's a sweet dairy-free latte made with powerful mushrooms, turmeric, ginger, and black pepper. Help support full body well-being. Yeah, no price on here, which I think is kind of weird. I don't know. I want to know how much it is, but okay. The next we got the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. It's for all skin, and Laneige is a really good high-end brand. It's a gel mask that hydrates skin while you sleep. Use it 1 or 2 nights a week and apply quarter size amount, leave on overnight, then rinse in the morning. I actually used this last night. I just, like, my skin, like I said, is just so dry and I want to try something out. I didn't love this. I don't know if I put not enough on, which is probably the case, but it made my skin feel extra dry, and then I washed off in the morning. I didn't really notice a difference. So I might try it again and just see if I was just not putting enough on. But yeah, that is a mask. There's no prices for anything on here, so I'm not sure how much that is, but it's probably expensive because it's Laneige. Next, I got this another Sunday Riley product. It's a Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. It's this cute little sample size, super, super small. This is a fast absorbing serum that uses vitamin C to brighten skin. So my skin better be so bright from all of these Sunday Riley products. Yeah, it's super small, but I guess it's nice to see, like, to test something out. But that'll be gone in like 2 weeks probably, maybe, if that. Next, we got this Beauty Blender Blender Cleanser Solid Pro. It's from Beauty Blender. It's a charcoal infused soap that removes excess product, dirt, and oil from makeup tools. I do need to clean my brushes, so I might use this. This is fine, but like I said, I'd rather like get makeup than this because I use this a couple times and it's, you know, gone. I'd rather get like a lip product or like skincare or stuff like that, stuff that will last me a little bit longer. So yeah, that's okay. Nice to try different things out. That's the whole point of these kind of subscription services. Okay, so Sephora has birthday gifts they give out every year. So basically they have 2 different sets, and you can go in on your birthday month and kind of choose which one you want. So last year I got my birthday gift, and this was my birthday gift. It literally is back in this box. Like, they resent it out in the Sephora Play this month, which I think is kind of weird because I literally have these 2 things already, and they probably just used like the excess amount that they had from their Sephora, from their birthday things to give here. So I don't know, it's kind of weird. It says that this is a bonus item. I don't know. So what it is, this is the Bite Beauty Matte Lip Crayon. It's a really pretty like purple shade. It's a lip crayon in a dusty mauve shade with a matte finish. So I probably will give this away to like my sister or something. Oh, the tip broke. I think she got it too. It's really pretty. It's the bottom one. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just kind of disappointed because I already have it. And I mean, many people probably have this too. So I don't know. It's just kind of, could do better, Sephora. The last thing is this Bite Beauty Agave Sugar Lip Balm and Scrub. It comes out and has both of the scrubs in here. I've heard great things about the lip balm. I've actually considered buying it because I heard it's super, super moisturizing and stuff like that. So it's a gentle lip scrub and soothing balm duo that delivers soft, smooth, hydrated skin. So that is everything from Sephora Play. Final thoughts. I think that Allure definitely won. Their products are bigger. That's probably like the main thing. And I like their booklet better too. It's more descriptive and it doesn't hurt that I got extra product. But besides that, I really do think that Allure kind of took the cake on this month. They have more products and they're bigger, and yeah, I just think that they kind of did better this month. I'm going to keep getting Sephora for a couple months, but I'm thinking about getting rid of Ipsy and Sephora Play, keeping Allure, and then getting Birchbox. No, not Birchbox, BoxyCharm. Getting BoxyCharm because those are full-size products, but it's a little bit more expensive. It's only $10 more, but it like evens out in the end. Either way, I'm so happy for everything that I got. Yeah, I mean, this was a lot of money and that I didn't have to spend, and now I get to try out new products. So if you want me to film like an updated video of what, like if I liked this or not, my thoughts on this serum or the mask or the nail polish, like stuff like that, I can, like a coming back and kind of like getting my thoughts on each product, if I'm gonna buy it, or if I just liked it as a sample and that's pretty much it, then let me know. I have a list of fun videos that I'm going to film this weekend. I'm banging these videos out, and because I used to pre-film a lot and during the week I would have some to pick from and upload, but this weekend I was home and we didn't do anything, like I didn't have any of my stuff, so like I didn't get to do that. But this weekend I'm going to be productive and I'm going to do that, and there's one that I'm so excited for that I'm going to be filming next. I was going to do it today, but I have to work today, yeah, like soon. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!